Welcome to all. Continue exercise questions 96 and one more question is there. Find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Also, check the results for the member. See, CD. So I not ABCD here because in the question they should give ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F. E. Okay. E. Check the results for the member CD, see this member, DF, this member, and AF, this member, by method of sections. That is once again usual trend. See, in the beginning, I solved non-stop questions for method of only joints. Then later, after completing many questions, marathon, non-stop for method of sections. Then I started exercise questions. Now, sometimes method of section independently. But still, for your information, I wrote the result by method of joints for those who are serious. But sometimes solve by method of joints and check for some members by method of sections. So this is 96. See, something in the class I will tell. First, see construction. See, this is a special type of truss. See, I am going to change the type of truss each question to question. Okay, see, 6 meter length. See, understood. You should write everything. F is the midpoint. So this will be 3 and 3. See here, 3 and 3. Then height is given 4 meter. So height, 4 meter height, you join these 2 points. So A, B, C will come. Then F join to C, this is not 90 degrees. It is not given in the question. When it is not given in the question, it is understood that, see, you write a note here, understood that D is, you write here, midpoint of AC. I am dictating. D is midpoint of AC, that is AD equal to DC. Understood. AD equal to DC. Then what you do? Mark the midpoint, join, mark the midpoint, join. Forces are given here. So now solve by first method of joints, then method of sections. 1 minute. Now we will continue. Next step will be calculation of support reactions. See, put the neat sketch here. Whatever given, put the sketch. Mark the reaction. Now, before you find support reaction, first of all, same type of question where join to midpoint, and then, see, I told, after that one, height given, base given, the same question was solved earlier where full board I wrote all required trigonometric calculations. So I need not tell how I got this 2 meter, how I got 1.5, how I got 1.5, how I got this theta 1 and theta 2. Actually not required. You can go back earlier and study. But still, my teaching is not that way. I somehow feel maybe some might have missed that question. Or at least revision. So, see, when you take moment about A, see, VB into 6 anti-clockwise. Okay, then 15 into this height clockwise, 30 into this distance clockwise, 20 into clockwise is plus 20 into 3 clockwise, 40 into this distance, that is 6 minus 1.5 clockwise, minus 18 into this height or this height anti-clockwise. That way you will get VB, sigma V, sigma H. I need not explain. Okay, get the reaction. Now, some will have doubt how that 2 meter came and how that 1.5 came. See, first I will write something here. See, for those with For those, this I told earlier also, same way I told. For those with good mathematical background, if you got a good mathematical background, this is not a problem because, see here, I will tell you, this is 4 meter, this is 3 meter, this is midpoint of AC. If this is midpoint of AC, then automatically if I project here, this is midpoint of AF. AF is 3 meter, so 1.5. Both are 1.5. And this height is 4. This is midpoint. When this height is 4, height of the midpoint is half of 4, 2 meter. Directly you can get. And tan theta 1 equal to 4 divided by 3. You get the theta 1. And tan theta 2 you require. See, 1 minute. Once this is theta 1, this also both are equal. Or, see, this side is 2. If this is 1.5, this is also 1.5. See, tan theta 1 is 4 divided by 3. But that is also equal to 2 divided by 1.5. Tan theta 2 also 2 divided by 1.5. So theta 2 equal to theta 1. That is, if you got mathematical background, good mathematical background. Or suppose you got difficulty. Some will tell, sir, we don't have that much mathematical concept. Actually, you should have it. Then, I write here. What you do is, AC you consider. Consider AC. See, this full triangle. Okay. This full base is 3 meter. Height is 4 meter. Calculate this length. Root of 3 square, I am not writing. Root of 3 square plus 4 square. Why calculate? 5 meter. I'll round off. Calculate. Then, this is the midpoint. Why I told already. When it is not given in the question, understood, this is the midpoint. So, D is the midpoint. So, if this is 5 meter, this will be 2.5 meter, half of 5. This height mark here. You get this theta 1 angle. Tan theta 1 equal to 4 divided by 3. Your theta 1 will come 53.13 degrees. Once you get theta 1, see here. You consider this triangle. See, triangle A, this you call D dash. A, D, D dash. Use only this triangle. Cos theta 1 equal to AD dash by 2.5. 100% AD dash will come 1.5 meter. Tan theta 1 equal to this one, DD dash by 2.5. DD dash will come 2 meter. That also will do. Your choice. So, this all I told earlier, same question was solved. At that time, I told in the class, basic concept also I told, mathematical concepts, or if you want, difficulty means this trigonometric part. Okay, now, reactions are over. Calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. Okay, this is exercise for you. I told you, this I am not doing. Okay. Not doing means not writing steps because we are in the exercise. Same question solved. Select a joint. Okay, I will start from joint B. Any A or B you can start. A more forces, B is better for me. You solve any joint. .125. All values are in kilonewton to save the space. 40.875. 875. Then I will go to joint E. Two unknowns are there. Unfortunately, both unknowns are inclined. When both unknowns are inclined, be careful. You won't get direct answer. You get simultaneous equation. Make sigma V0, sigma H0. Then solve simultaneous equation and get the values. But remember, if one unknown is horizontal, other inclined, I told the trick earlier. Or if one unknown is vertical, other is inclined, I told the trick earlier. If one unknown is horizontal, one other unknown is vertical, very, very easy. Those tricks all I told in a class where I told directly using calculator. It was a long class, maybe 2 hours, where I not only did in front of you using direct calculator, big question, and also I explained how to get it for those who can understand. Okay, but for me, even though both are inclined, no problem, because I got tricks. I will resolve either perpendicular this one or perpendicular this one. Perpendicular is, if I resolve perpendicular this member, this force will not come. I get that force. If I resolve perpendicular this member, that will not come. This will come. But I will advise you not to go for such adventures. You can go to such adventures provided you got 100% confidence. Otherwise, don't go for it. Okay, I will solve. 23.13 vertical. Okay. Direction I got. 58.125. No place right here. 58.125 is this force. 40 is this force. Oh, round number. For minute now, I remove that load. 40. It is a coincidence actually. Okay, 40 kilonewton. Okay. Now, I will go to joint C. Is 31 this way, minus 12 divided by 0.6. 38.125 is this force. How I get it, you never bother. You solve your how I taught you earlier. Vertical equilibrium. Minus 20 is down. 57, round number. 57. Now I will come to this joint and get this force. Only one. Okay. No, I will first go to A. That is 6.5 divided by 0.8. 45.625. Into 0.6 is 27.375. This way plus another 9. 36.375. Now I will come to joint F. Vertical equilibrium. 57 up minus 57 up minus 40 into 0.8 down divided by 0.8. 31.25 up down. 31.25 over 1 minute. Correct? 40 down into 0.8 is correct. Minus 57 divided by 0.8. Correct. Then I will check horizontal equilibrium here. Check now over. Solution is over. I am checking now. Left component is 40 into 0.6 plus 36.375 is 60.375. No, this is see one mistake here. This is this way. Okay, no problem. By mistake I put wrong arrow mark. Okay. So 40 into 0.6 plus 36.375, then minus 31.25 into 0.6. 41 point. I'm not getting balance here. It is not getting balanced. There is some mistake is there. Where this is perfect. I don't have to check that one. This is guaranteed. This one. This A is correct. 36.5. How much unbalance? 36.5 divided by 0.8. 45.625 into 0.6 plus 9. This is also correct. Then where is unbalance there? 1 minute. No need of panicking. 54.1. Oh, total 20 plus 30 plus 40. 40 plus 30 is 70 plus 20 is 90. 90 minus 54.5 is 35.5. Oh, see, actually, what happened? I got 35.5 only. See, this is 35.5. Reaction 35.5. I'll underline that one, highlight it, because later it is a corrected value. Okay, got it. 35.5. Actually, see, in the light, 5 and 6, see, 5 is calculator, 5 comes this way, 6 comes this way. In the light, it looked like 6 to me. I did not bother. Now, see, when 54 is there, 4 and a half means it should be 5 and a half. So, I got correct answer reaction. See, 54.5 correct. 90 minus that will give answer. So, therefore, if this is 35.5, this is wrong and this is wrong. I'll check it once again. No problem. 35.5 divided by 0.8. 44. How much it is? 35.5 divided by 0.8. 44.375. This one. 375 into 0.8. 44.375 into 0.6 plus another 9. 35. This is 35.625. Okay, now I will do one thing. I will check the equilibrium here. Vertical equilibrium already balanced. No problem. Horizontal equilibrium. 40 into 0.6 plus 35.625. Total 59.625 minus 31.25 into 0.6 is 40.875. Tally. Joint D also will check. 44.375 minus 38.125 into 0.8 is vertical upward component plus 31.25 also into 0.8 is 30. Perfectly tally. Horizontal equilibrium. 44.375 minus 38.125 into 0.6 is right side 3.75. Then minus 31.25 into 0.6. 15. Perfectly tally. So, everything is perfect. Result by method of joints. Now I will go to method of sections. I will write and explain. Now, mechanical steps. We are doing so many questions. I need not explain. Anyway, exercise question. Okay. To check results for, I told CD, DF and, see, this is C. Partially not visible. Okay, because of the touching. CD, DF and AF. These three members. Show the cut. You show the cut here. See. In the sketch where reactions are calculated. See. This sketch. Show the cut. XX. A and D intact. These loads you enter there. See. Force for DC, force for DF, force for AF. Again and again I told. If it is an independent question, you consider all outgoing. Later, sign will tell the answer, whether correct or not. But since you are checking, you know the answer. You are verifying it. So, see here, to the joint D, it is coming, incoming. To the joint D also incoming. From the joint A, outgoing. You write that way. Take moment about any point. See, this is 1.5, 2. Angles are written. Not take moment about any point. Any point you can take, then also answer will come. By mistake I told. Take moment about any point I told, general case. Okay. Among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at D. So take moment about D. See here. Minus PAF. See, when you take moment here, this all 0. Minus PAF into 2 plus 35.5 into 1.5 plus 9 into 2 equal to 0. You get the value of PAF. Yes, then sigma V equal to 0. See, now you know the value of PAF here. See, PAF is known. Okay, then plus PDF sin 53.13 minus PDC sin 53.13 minus 30 plus 35.5 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Sigma H equal to 0. Minus PDF cos 53.13 minus PDC cos 53.13 plus 50, plus PAF plus 15 minus 90. But PAF is already known for you. Equation number 2. Equation 1 PDF PDC. Equation 2 also PDF PDC because already known. Solving, you will get the two unknowns. Okay, I will get it fast. I will solve. PDF plus 31.25. I am not calculating. I got confidence. Why should I waste my time calculating it? Plus PDC plus 38.125. Over. Now, one statement you are right. Statement you are right. All came positive means what direction you got here is correct. Then numerically check it. DF 38.125, DC 31.25, AF 35.625. Perfectly tallying. Question is over. Now what I will do is I will go for question number 97 where symmetry is there. And one more thing, here height given, angle you found, there angle given, one of the angle given, height you find. Okay, if requirement is there. Other things are same. I will finish very fast. Why? When you can solve, symmetry is not there. When symmetry is there, amount of work is reduced. Okay, I will prepare it. Exercise question 97. See, question I wrote here. Again same as last time. Only change is the base length given. Last time height given, angle we got. This time angle given. Okay. Now, but remember, make a note. One roller, one hinge. Roller got vertical reaction. Hinge has vertical and horizontal. But see, this roller, no chance of horizontal reaction. So, if at all horizontal reaction is there, it should be hinge A. So, there is no horizontal load. Make a note. Since there is no horizontal load, horizontal reaction at A equal to 0. Therefore, this hinge is as good as a roller now. So, just vertical reaction. So, and loading, see 20, 30 center, 40, 40. Perfect symmetry. Therefore, you write here, no need of wasting time by sigma m0, sigma v0, etc. Directly write vertical reaction at A, not this way. See, due to symmetry, vertical reaction at A upward equal to vertical reaction at B upward equal to total downward load 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 40, 130 divided by 2, each will come 65, 65. Okay, then over, go there. Calculation of axial forces. I will tell you later. 65, 65, 40 degrees. This also 40 degree only. Reason I told you. Why? See, this is midpoint of this member means if I project here, this is midpoint of this member. So whatever tan 40 is there, same, see, if the tan 40 here, tan theta equal to same height by same base. So 40, 40. Or anyway, little more information I will give you. Okay, now first finish by method of joint. I already wrote the answer. Why? I don't have to show my capacity solving in front of you. I will tell you this took only 1 minute. That's all. Okay, now see, I started A, I got these two. I went to D, I got these two. I went to C, I got these two. Right here. That's all. Stop. Now remaining answer, you can do symmetry. I will use green color, somewhat green color. See, by symmetry, see, no calculation. 70.008. This one, see, this is by symmetry. This is 101.122. Same nature. 31.114 and 77.464 is the answer. Completely solved. Now, last part. Now they want to verify. Last time this side, now this side. See, they want to verify which member. See, CE, then EF and FE. So cut like this. See, cut like this. Or here, see, cut like this. Consider equilibrium to right side. Okay. See, now direction. See here. This way. See, PEC. P, EF, P, BF. Enter. Now, just 1 minute. Two unknowns are meeting here. So what you do? Sigma M about A, this is B, this is what? This is E. Sigma M about E equal to 0, take clockwise positive. When you take moment about this point, see, PBF, oh, not a problem. PBF into, oh, this height required. So do one thing, let this height be some height. See, the height required, you call this as H. H into H. See, into H. PBF. See, P what? BEF. PBF into H clockwise minus 65 into 2 equal to 0. You will get the value of PBF. Therefore, PBF will come. But before that one, you require H. See, how to find H? See here. Directly see here. Tan 40, see, this triangle. Tan 40 equal to that H divided by 2. Therefore, H will come. H will come. How much? 2 into tan 40. 1 point tan 40. 1.6. Oh, I already got the answer there. 1.6782 meter. Or you can find in the beginning. Now substituting. Therefore, what you will get? You will get the value of PBF. Therefore, PBF will come. Why should I calculate? Plus 77.464 kilonewton. Okay, now 1 minute. Now remaining I won't waste time. Now make sigma V0 and sigma S0 explained thousands of times. Solve it. You will get the other two unknowns. Which one? P. If you cannot do that much, you don't do anything then. PEF and PEC. PEF will come plus 31 point. Exercise question, remember, and 70.008 kilonewton. Okay, then verify 100% correct answer. But now 1 minute. Information. By chance, if it is not symmetric, make a note here. Here symmetry is there. No need of taking moment. If symmetry is not there, what to do? See. First of all, see, if this is D, you require, if vertex, see, this is D. Suppose you take D dash here. And this total length is 4 meter. You require AD dash DD dash and CF height. Do one thing. I will dictate tan 40 equal to CF divided by 4, height will come. Write it. Then once you get that height, using mathematics you will tell this height is half of that height and this length is half of this length directly. Or in case you got difficulty, get the length of AC. Root of 4, cos 40 equal to 4 divided by this AC, 5.2216. Divide by 2, get this value. Then now consider what is this triangle. Cos 40 equal to AD dash by this side. 100% AD dash will come 2 meter. And sin 40 equal to this height by AD dash, that height will come, DD dash will come 1.6782 meter. Then if this is 40 degrees, this angle required, see, this angle required, tan theta, this angle, tan theta equal to this side by this side, it will come once again 40 degrees. Okay, now solve all this question, 97 over. Next class, I will go for same type of question, but these two members are not joined to midpoint. Instead, they are perpendicular to this member. See, they are perpendicular. Concept will change. That also I solved earlier. But exercise, everything should come. So that in the next class. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll meet.